Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start. So viewers, button heart decoration. Today we make a button heart. Use red and pink buttons. Arrange them in a heart shape. Glue them carefully. It's simple and very cute, perfect for dome decoration. And viewers, so my second idea is friends. Viewers, button bracelets. Make a button bracelet. Take a strong thread and a small buttons. The threads each buttons tie it nicely at the end, and now your cute bracelet is ready. And friends, so viewers, my next idea is friends button tree art. Today we create a button tree. Draw a tree on paper using green button as leaves. Glue them on the branches. It looks creative and colorful. And friends, so friends, next idea is friends, button hair clip. So I hope you enjoy my video. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for viewers more latest updates, friends.